Best in-demand skills to learn to find freelance work online. Hello and welcome back to another video here on e-commerce know-how. It isn't easy venturing into the unknown world of freelancing, but the truth is, some of the top skills for freelancers are easy to learn for free. Thanks to free tools and courses available online, there are tons of skills you can learn to complement what you already do as a freelancer. Not to mention the possibility of creating new opportunities to make a living. Especially because so many projects have room for overlap. For example, web design and copywriting, or coding for Android and graphic design, there is so much potential to increase your earnings and marketability by mastering additional skills to complement the ones you already rely on to pay your rent or travel the world. In this video, we take a look at the biggest in-demand skills to find freelancing jobs online. Stay tuned. HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Web development is still one of the most in-demand jobs in the freelancing markets in 2021. Specifically, JavaScript programming, as well as CSS and HTML coding skills, were ranked at the top of the 15 most in-demand skills on Upwork in 2020. JavaScript in particular was on the top of the list due to many brands and businesses experimenting with interactive elements on their websites. This could be the perfect gear to improve your JavaScript skills and leverage the opportunities in the market. Keep in mind that with more demand comes more competition. You will have to compete with thousands of other freelancers for web development gigs. Find ways to be unique and an exceptional freelancer if you want to stand out from the crowd. There are several websites that teach you to code, including YouTube channels. One such website is Free Code Camp, which has a ton of resources on various coding languages. They also have a YouTube channel with hours and hours of video material. Do check them out if you even have the slightest interest in coding. Web app development. Since the pandemic, many businesses switched to selling their products and services online. This involved transforming their websites into web apps. Many businesses such as restaurants, pizza shops, and even grocery stores used web apps to let customers shop online and get their products delivered to their homes. This is one of the main reasons why the demand for web app development saw a rise in 2020, and it will continue to be for a long time while we are adjusting to the new normal. A great thing about web apps is that they work just like a mobile app on phones. This reduces the cost of developing native Android and iOS apps for businesses. Web app development is not new, but there are plenty of ways you can explore this category to find the right skills to create a career for you. Blockchain and cryptocurrency programming. If you even have a solid grasp of what these words mean, you're well on your way to a lucrative career. Simply put, blockchain is a specific type of database that collects and stores new information in, you guessed it, blocks. The system chains each new data block to the previous one in chronological order. Blockchain is the record-keeping technology which serves as the basis for the popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. It's a ledger, so to speak, for cryptocurrency transactions, and the way the data is secured within the blockchain makes it extremely secure. For this reason, companies are spending billions on blockchain coders and managers, if they can find them, that is. If computer programming is in your skill set, you'll be in high demand. And if you're interested in learning more, there are a wide variety of online courses for learning this complex code language. The pay scale for blockchain developers is anywhere from above $80 an hour, so you can guess this is a high-paying job. Graphic design. Images on websites, blogs, social media pages, and infographics make a strong first impression and engage viewers. They also play a more important role in society than many people realize. It would be harder to find a hospital, airport, or even public restroom without graphics. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, graphic designs have helped to educate the public and promote safety practices in major cities like New York. The possibilities are endless. You could use your artistic talent in web design, interface design, employee training materials, video game user experience, or marketing. You likely already have a strong portfolio to showcase your talent, and you should also level up your skills with a few Adobe design courses. With a pay rate of minimum $36 an hour, graphic design is a great skill to master and will only increase as you gain experience. Social media marketing. Finally, we have social media marketing, the most in-demand skill of 2021. The number of social media users around the world is expected to surpass 3.4 billion per month by 2023. That's about a third of the entire global population. Can you say job security? Social media marketing is one of the most versatile freelancing gigs on this list. Each campaign is designed with a target audience in mind. That could include everything from angsty teenagers for one product and extreme sports enthusiasts for the next. Campaigns are also tailored to specific platforms. In short, there's no such thing as a typical day at the office, and these freelancers are never bored. Are you known for your creativity? Are you familiar with the idiosyncrasies of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and other popular platforms? If so, you're well on your way to driving traffic and generating sales. Lots of businesses would be glad to add you to their arsenal of freelancer talent. That brings us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.